Lately I've been seeing things, belly button piercings in the sky at night when we're side by side. And I don't mean to rain on anybody's cabriolet. One of those games you're gonna lose, but you wanna play it just in case. Now it's getting dark and the sky looks sticky, more like black treacle than tar. Black treacle, somebody told the stars you're not coming out tonight. And so they found a place to hide. Does it help you stay up late? Does it help you concentrate? Does it tune you in when you chew your chin? Am I ruining your fun? And you talk the talk, alright, but do you walk the walk or catch the train? You wanted it, you got it, but you don't want it now. Now it's getting dark and the sky looks sticky, more like black treacle than tar. Black treacle, somebody told the stars you're not coming out tonight. And so they found a place to hide. But now I'm out of place and I'm not getting any wiser. I feel like the Sundance Kid behind a synthesizer. And I tried last night to pack away a laugh, like a key under the mat, but it never seems to be